Let's review the German numbers 1 through 36. You can repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Remember, when we come to these letters, we're taking 10 and then the next number. So 3, 10. 3, 10. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. 9 is 9. 10 is 10. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. Here we're saying 4 and 20. So for instance, with 22, we are saying 2, which is 2, und, which is and, 20, which is 20. So 22 is 22. So we did 24, okay. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 is spelled differently. It's 3 for 3. SZ, 30. Then we go to 31, 1 and 30. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Those are the numbers 1 bis 36, 1 to 36. Danke.